Holy shit. Stop. Stop.
It's that takeoff that's
Dude,
that,
just
that
do it.
dip right there.
Just do it from down the street, dude, and cut left.
Yeah, that gravel might not be good.
Hey, yeah, I'm still filming, I guess. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Boom, right in the windshield.
We're getting ready to film Lost, the Southington edition. Yeah, it's freaking pretty sweet.
Got you. I got you.
Oh! You should have like tied dynamite to it, go out with a bang.
Just fall apart more.
Bring out the TNT.
Notice none of these videos are more than like 2 minutes long.
You're witnessing a psychological breakdown, folks.
They make piece of crap pieces of shit, and then they shit all over your piece of shit fucking fun-having face.
It's a whole lot of shit.
Shit. You see this piece of shit? It's a piece of fucking shit. So fuck you, Dynam.
Fuck out of here.
You try again?
Hey,